We do not admit the interpretation of what attest means, but we do accept that the witness will have the same explanation, his explanation of what
In
attest
regard
means,
to it
Your
being
Honor.
pro forma, yes.
In
Counsel?
if I may, that pro forma to me means copy-paste, Mr. Witness.
Which I objected to. I hope you understand.
Kala ko
Distinguished Counsel.
makakalusot. Okay.
Stipulation duly noted by both parties.
Lastly, Mr. Witness, after auditing all of these documents you identified and giving your explanations as to why, based on these documents, your evaluation thereat, you stated that they are non-compliant or violation or bawal or irregular compared based on the Joint Circular 2015.
Objection, Your
What
Honor.
did you
Conclusion? Oh, sorry.
I will...
What? The statement was a conclusion, Your Honor.
The
Your Honor-
witness earlier stated that he observed certain non-compliant entries in the submissions from the Office of the Vice President.
We submit, Your Honor. We submit.
We're going to the AOM already, Counsel. Please proceed.
Having observed what you earlier testified to, discrepancies, irregularities, pagkukulang, mga bawal na submissions, ano ang ginawa mo after making this evaluation?
I drafted po an audit observation memorandum containing po yung findings noted during the audit.
And you drafted this? Anong nangyari sa draft mo?
Yung for the first and second quarter po ay na-issue po dun sa dun sa DepEd po.
Okay, I'm now showing to you a certified true copy
Assisting counsels may approach.
of an audit observation memorandum dated February 1, 2024. Being flashed on the screen as well. Marked, Your Honor, as Prosecution's Exhibit P, P-1-21A, Common Exhibit with the defense.
For the defense, it's D-1-132, correct, Counsel?
No, Your Honors. It's D-1-111-DE.
111.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Noted.
And Mr. Witness, look at your document to refresh your memory. What periods does this audit information memorandum cover?
Based po on this audit observation memorandum, ang period covered po ay February 20 to March 30, 2023 at April 20 to June 29, 2023.
And Mr. Witness, please tell us what your recommendations are or were, if any.
May recommendations po include, first, yung hindi po na-submit ni DepEd yung kanilang documentary evidence of payments for their confidential expenses.
Ano pa, Mr. Witness?
Sa accomplishment report po nila, meron pong line items na hindi allowable under the item 4.8 of the Joint Circular. At yun po yung provision of medical and food aid at payment of incentives for traveling relative to the confidential operations of the DepEd.
What else, Mr. Witness? And for the appreciation of the Honorable Impeachment Court, this is being flashed on the screen and boxed in red. What else, Mr. Witness?
Yung payment of rewards po nila ay hindi supported ng documents evidencing the success of the information gathering and or surveillance activities on account of the information given by the informer.
Anything else, Mr. Witness?
Number 4 po, yung kanilang physical and financial plan, hindi po naka-indicate yung specific confidential activities na pagbabasehan ng kanilang disbursement in violation of the item 4.2 of the Joint Circular.
Anything else, Mr. Witness?
Yung kanilang disbursement voucher po ay inapprove ni Undersecretary Annalyn M. Sevilla instead of the head of the agency in
Why do you-
violation of item 6.3.1b of the Joint Circular.
And who is this person that you mentioned?
Based on the documents submitted, si Annalyn M. Sevilla po yung Undersecretary for Finance ng DepEd
Ni-
during the time po na na-issue tong AOM.
Okay. And the signature? Can you identify the signature?
Signature po saang part po?
On the last page of this document.
Which among these po?
The AOM, with Mr. Witness.
If, which among these signatures po yung tinutukoy niyo?
There is a signature here above the name Assistant Commissioner Officer in Charge, Nilda B. Plaras. Can you identify this signature?
Yes, ma'am.
And why?
Kasi nakita ko po siyang pumirma ng ibang documents at yung signature niya on those documents is the same po with this one.
There are signatures as well below. It says proof of receipt of AOM, Vice President Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President Edward Fajarda, SDO, the Chief Accountant, the COA ATL DepEd. You confirm? These names and their designations?
Can you repeat po, ma'am?
In the proof of receipt of this AOM, meron mga nakalagay na pangalan na receive daw ng Sara Z. Duterte. Pero hindi niya signature to. Merong Gloria Mendoza. Edward Fajarda, the SDO. What does SDO mean, Mr. Witness?
The Special Disbursing Officer po, based on the joint circular.
Also received by his office, and likewise the COA Chief Accountant and the COA ATL received this AOM. Mr. Witness, you confirm that?
Na-receive po siya ng mga nakapirma po dito sa signature part po.
Okay. What happened next, if any, if you know?
Wala na po akong personal knowledge since before po sila magbigay ng response, na-transfer na po ako out of ICFAO to another audit sector of COA.
And you got transferred when?
On February 12 po of 2024.
Okay. Now, Mr. Witness, and this is the second to the last question. Mr. Witness, could you tell us, after you did this audit evaluation and these recommendations, what happened next? What other matters occurred, if any, in connection with your audit
From when po?
during the time that you were still there?
There was a time po that I was called in a meeting. Po.
Tinawag ka sa meeting
Yes, ma'am.
at nandun ka pa sa COA ICFAO.
Yes, ma'am.
Maalala mo anong date itong meeting na to?
It was around second week po ng September of 2023.
At sino-sino ang nasa meeting na to?
Ang naalala ko po ay si Attorney Zuleika Lopez at si Attorney Michael Powa po. At yung dating head po ng ICFAO na si Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras at si Attorney Gloria Camora po.
Okay. Sinong nagtawag ng meeting na to?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall kung sino nagtawag. Ang naalala ko lang po ay pinasama po ako dun sa meeting na yun.
Pinasama ka? Bakit ka pinasama sa meeting na to?
Dahil ako po yung in charge of the audit of the confidential fund nung DepEd at OVP po.
Kilala mo ba, Mr. Witness, si Attorney Michael Powa?
Nakikita ko po siya sa news.
Nakikita mo siya sa news? Hindi mo siya nakikita sa in-person? Ayan, oh.
During that time, sorry, hindi po clear yung particular period.
Oh, kilala mo ba? When you went to that meeting, were you able to identify Attorney Michael Powa?
Nagpakilala po sila, ma'am.
Nagpakilala sa iyo. Okay. And what happened during that meeting? Attorney, sorry for that.
No, that's fine.
Nagpapagising lang tayo.
Okay lang po.
But you confirm that this is the attorney that you saw in that meeting?
Yes po.